When selling your home, receiving multiple offers can be an exciting yet challenging situation. How to choose among 3, 5, 10 great offers? Here are the key strategies to maximize your selling price and terms. Number 1. Set a deadline. Announce a deadline for all offers. That way you create urgency and competition among buyers. For example, all offers must be submitted by 12 on Monday. You don't want just the quickest offer, you want the strongest and potentially a couple of backup options. Number 2. Communicate interest. Inform buyers that there are multiple offers. By doing this, you encourage buyers to present their best bids. For example, we have received multiple offers for the property. Please consider this when submitting your bid. Number 3. Request highest and best offer. After initial review, you may be confused which offer to take, or maybe you would like to let all buyers to express their best intention. I'll ask all buyers to submit their highest and best offers by a specific time after initial review. That will ensure you get the best possible offer. For example, please submit your highest and best offer by Tuesday at 5 p.m. Remember, you need to assess offers beyond the price. Evaluate all aspects of the offers, like consider contingencies, financing, and buyer reliability. For example, this offer might be stronger and high in price, but it has financial contingency. The other offer is lower but has no contingencies. Decide which one responds better to your needs. Based on this, number 4, enhance terms by negotiating for minimal contingencies and favorable closing timelines. For example, can you reduce the inspection contingency period to 7 days or move the commitment to a sooner date? Number 5. Maintain professionalism. Keep the process fair, transparent, and professional. That way you avoid discouraging buyers and maintain a positive selling environment. Number 6. Keep a backup offer. Secure a backup offer in case the primary deal falls through. That will ensure you have an alternative if something goes sideways. For example, we would love to keep your offer as a backup. By implementing these strategies, you can create a competitive environment that maximizes your selling price and terms. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.